Welcome to GSL GM City 1720, Boat Trail, Southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This four-door Jeep is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and mated up to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the interior of the Jeep Wrangler here, we have the power locks as well as all your power windows are right here because those doors are removable. So obviously you can't have your windows on the doors when those doors are off. We have a leather wrapped steering wheel. Vehicle only has 31,439 kilometers. Alpine speaker system all throughout. We got your AC and heat controls as well as your 4x4 automatic shifter knob and your handbrake. Vehicle is Sirius XM ready. You do have locking glove box as well. All black interior with the black cloth Jeep Wrangler seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Jeep Wrangler here, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler all-season tires on there. Rhino paint color on this Jeep. Sport Wrangler JK Unlimited trail rated badging coming to the front. You do have the upgraded headlights as well as fog lamps, and we do have the blacked out grille. Making our way to the back, we have our rear tinted privacy windows as well as the tailgate guards and a spare tire cover. Looking at the interior of the Jeep Wrangler here, we do have the leather 60/40 split in the back, cup holders there as well. You have that 60/40 split, seats fold down, giving you access to your trunk of the Jeep. Lots of room back there as you'd expect. Over top we got that exoskeleton speakers and lighting because yes, the roof on the Jeep does come off. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. If this is your next Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport, come and see us here at GSL GM City and experience the ultimate 4x4 vehicle.